Hours ago, chaos erupted in Tampa, Florida. A violent hailstorm pounded the city without warning. Hailstones, some as wide as 1.5 inches, slammed down on cars, roofs, and roads. Windows shattered, windshields cracked, homes were damaged, and drivers were caught off guard. It wasn't an isolated storm. It was part of a powerful weather system ripping through the entire state. From Tampa to Orlando, storms exploded across the I-4 corridor. Thunder roared for hours. National Weather Service issued urgent alerts. Storm cells were moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Gusts hit 60 miles per hour. Residents were told to stay indoors, stay away from windows.
Yeah, I mean, still a pretty nice debris field.
Described it as a wall of ice falling from the sky. Cars left outside were nearly totaled. Emergency crews rushed to areas with the worst damage. Limbs down, power lines snapped. Over in South Florida, it wasn't much better. The region was placed under marginal risk for severe weather. Isolated storms there brought damaging winds and smaller hail. Reports even mention funnel clouds. Meteorologists say this outbreak was triggered by a shortwave trough over the central Gulf of Mexico.
North, everybody hold all traffic unless it's an emergency, including STS and Fox.
Disturbance injected instability into the atmosphere, fueling rapid thunderstorm development across the state. As the system moved inland, the storms gained strength, bringing with them dangerous lightning and hail. Nightfall, the Tampa Bay area remained on high alert. Chances stayed high, with more cells forming offshore. Authorities continue to urge residents to stay informed. Phones charged. It's the radar. In Florida is becoming more unpredictable by the day. This storm is proof of that. If you're in the region, I'd take this seriously. Night may bring more damage. This is no ordinary storm season. Stay alert, stay safe.
Thank you for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button and support my channel.